This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 90 of building the Ford GT. Another issue that's not going to be fun for me, but we'll see how we go. Let's take the fun bit and look through the magazine. What we got there, the first Ford Mustang. Quite like that. That's quite nice. Sort of, yeah, old but modern. Nothing wrong with that. Looks powerful. There we go. That's all about that. Yeah, fair enough. I like the banked tracks for speedway type thing. All good stuff. So yes, we get the part today that, again, we're not going to be using. So I'm not even going to take it out of the packet. I'll show you that before we do anything else. But we're going to be using bits from last time, or even a couple of times ago, putting hoses onto those. Oh, good. Hoses. More hoses. Just what I like. And then I think installing those onto that. And then next time there's got to be more hoses and stuff going on because we've still got the parts from last time that we didn't use yet. So yeah, hopefully by the end of this delivery, we'll have finished the hose stuff and get onto something a little bit more fun and able to be done. So I'll see you soon when I clear this out of the way. So in this issue, we get some screws and is that the nose? It looks like the nose cone. It's the wrong way up in the packet, but yeah. So we're going to start on the body soon, no doubt. But for now, we're not doing anything with that. We're going to start with these bits. So let me read up on exactly what I've got to do, bring in the rest of the car, and do it. Right, it says to connect this one first, but I'm going to do the building of this first because it's easier to do before we get anywhere else. So basically, one end of this is just plugged into there. Easily, he says. These tubes have been not as much fun as it looks like it should be. The other one goes into the other hole. A lot of these don't line up as well as it shows them lining up. Well, not lining up, but the size of the holes is different and not a good fit on a lot of these. Which is why I've had to glue some of them, and even gluing them didn't actually work a lot of the time. Oh yeah. This is, again, not going to be visible, so it doesn't worry me a great deal. But it is going to be a bit more visible than the rest. So I would like to get this connected up. Let's try the other end. No, it's definitely not the other end. It is this end that's got to go in there. So I might have to enlarge the hole a little bit to get that in there. So yeah, let me work on that, then bring in the car and attach these up and see where the other ends of the tubes are meant to go. Right, let's have a look. They're now attached onto there. This one just pushes onto there, onto the two brackets there, like so. This one does the same over this side. Get it the right way round. The bit goes down that way. Get it in place. That's got to go that way round. It's not the same way round. That's just to make it interesting. That goes on there like that, and my tube has fallen off. I need to bracket that, get that back in there. Try again. Yeah, so that goes on there like that. Then these two tubes from here connect up to the bottom of there, which I shall get done in a minute. And on the top of that, we've got, I don't know, at least one of these tubes that's going to go in there somewhere. So I shall play around, get the tubes connected, and then that will be that for another issue. I'll show you what it looks like when I've got them connected up as best I can. Yeah, there it is. As good as it gets. Connected most ends. Still got that bit that I don't know where that's meant to go, but we'll just poke it around and get it out the way. So yeah, I'm not happy with these tubes, but I was never going to be happy with these tubes, I don't think. So I'm not terribly concerned. So that's it. Another issue complete, and I think there's just one more tube issue to go. So I shall see you for that very soon, and then hopefully we can get on to other things that I can do. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.